So starting with the E minor chord, we're going to play this on the 1 of the first bar. So 1, 2, and then on the 3, we're going to be playing a D chord, 3, 4, and then on the and of that 4, we'll be playing a G chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So the G gets the whole bar to itself there. And then on the 1 of the next bar, we'll be moving to a C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the D is going to be on the 3 again. So it should be like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's practice that together. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, and that's the whole song learned. It's only those chords, so we should be alright. We're going to go onto our 8th fret on the B string, and then we're going to go onto our 10th fret of the B string there. So we should be using our middle finger for that 8 and the pinky for that 10 there. So then moving on to our 7th fret on the E, so, and then up to our 8th again on the B. So, and then we're going to just move our middle finger there, just down 1 string to the E. So just sort of do that with it. So 1 last time, I need, and then 2 is going to be the 7 on the E. So 1 last time, I need 2, and then B is going to be on is going to be on the 9th fret of our G string here. So and then after that we'll do this phrase 3 times. So we'll have and then after that we'll go back to our 8 there on the B, and then down to our 7 on the B there. So it should sound like so this riff that we've just learned is actually the intro and the chorus to the song. So we'll have 2 rounds of the riff for the intro, along with people who are doing the chords as well. And then for the verse, we'll have the riff people cutting out, and they can move to the chords if they wish. And then we'll be doing everything for the chorus. So we'll have the riff and the chords for the chorus. So I'll give you an example here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.